Duroc mating at Edovasal Pig Farm, Enugu. Today is Sunday, 12th of February 2023. %, pure Duroc. This is Edovasal Pig Farm, Enugu, and this is our breeding unit where we have 100 sows and 5 boars. 100 fat sows and 5 boars. Okay, so this is what we do. We breed quality pigs for you and for the meat consumer, for you the farmer and for the meat consumer. Remember, if you need piglets, you need growers, you need finishers, you need adult pigs, you need about to cross pregnant pigs, you can get all you want, all the breeds you want at Edovasal Pig Farm. Although we are big on large white, pure landrace, pure Durocs, Camboro TN70, and then our own breed, the Edovasal Camrock. All right. If you need any of these, let us know. And remember, you can also invest in our farm for 7 months and earn a 30% return on your money. For further details on how you can invest in our farm, you can chat us up and we'll give you further clarification. Till then, keep farming right and see you in the next video.